eagle right here, and you should know your way. Oh, our scarlet macaws. Now macaws like them can be found in forests of South America. After feeding, these birds often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that to live in large flocks. So you can imagine how colorful and noisy they will be. In Jurong Bird Park, not only we are active in conservation, we get the school children involved as well. The nest box that the conures just flew up from, that was built by students of Greenwich Primary School in conjunction with making their way to our second volunteer. Okay? Flashes going on. I need your cooperation to off your flashes, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, so despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. And to help demonstrate that, Lina will be tossing a fruit each for both the two hands. Let's see if they can catch it in mid-flight, okay? Are you ready to use the both of them to you? This is Mr. Horn, and that is Mrs. Axel. Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Axel. Our husband and wife team. A simple hello. Hello. Nice and sweet hello. Can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo. Do you hear that? His name is Amigo. Shall we do that one more time? Tell them your name. Amigo. Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you, so how is everyone feeling today? Good? Alright, that's very nice. Okay, Amigo is intelligent, okay? He can count English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect. Not only he can count in English, he can also count in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hao means very good in Chinese. 9, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 9, 10, 1. There you go! Current line word for word. The second song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. In the bird park. Now it's time for Amigo to head back home, so can all of you wave and say bye-bye, Amigo! Okay, Amigo, your turn. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Last one. Next, the male would then look for food to feed its entire family. This will take up to 3 or 4 months, and once the eggs are hatched, then mother and child would leave the nest. In the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental Pride hornbills. Thanks to your contribution to the Conservation Fund, we have released some of them. There you go. Okay, once again, if you want to see more hornbills like Sunny, you can head down to the Hornbill and Toucan exhibit, okay? Okay, Sunny, I'm sure you know your way back home. Thank you very much, Sunny, our great pied hornbill.
Let's give them a
gentlemen. Thank you. Remain seated, please. Thank you very much. Ready now? Ready? Go! Not that bad. Well done. Thank you very much, Lina and Patina. Thank you. Now, yes! Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Vega, the Scarlet Football. Okay, now Ceci. Over there. Yes. Okay, very good. Don't move, ma'am. You're doing fine. Okay, put it down. On her palm. Okay, well done. Ma'am, do you got a coupon? Okay, now with that coupon, you'll be able to exchange it for a free cold drink at the kiosk, at the pools, at the birds of play. Thank you very much. Let's give a big hand. Yes, and into half again. All the money on your left hand. Good, money pointing upwards.
Maybe see the kabutar bird eye.
Yeah, the money pointing up. Okay, now, young lady, no matter what happens, don't move. Okay? Okay, don't move, huh? Okay, Ceci, see that lady. Yeah, she has money, Ceci. Now, what must you do when you see money? Take the money and come back to me. Don't move, don't move. Now, everyone watch this. Where does the money go? You can keep on smiling and sit down. Thank you. One more volunteer, one more. I got $2. How about $10 now? $10? No, we're just joking, okay, we're just joking. Ceci will return the money, but let's say if you want to have the animals after the show, come down here. Our second stop from India, the sport bill pelican. And from Eastern Europe, the Dalmatian pelican. Now we have all the pelicans on stage right now, and let's go back to Africa, the birds with the long sexy leg, the greater flamingo. And from South America, our beautiful and colorful macaws from out there and there. Ladies and gentlemen, our finale of birds. Let's give them a big hand. Thank you. Now, with that, we have come to the end of the show, and for you want to take photographs with our beautiful birds, do stay on. We will bring up the photographic flamingo shortly, and only for $5 Singapore per entry.